Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, June 3rd, 2013. And stocks, in a late day surprise, shoot higher with the Dow up 138 points, with the S&P up 0.6%, the Dow up 0.92%, NASDAQ up 0.27%, and Russell's up 0.65%, with the NASDAQ lagging. Banks in the hunt up 0.58%, with the VIX down just a mere fraction, not confirming today's bullish move. Wishing I was still in gold. Gold up 1.93%, silver up 2.53%, and crude oil up 1.7%, with the US dollar down 0.71%, really helping out the markets and the trend at a really quite a low ending for the day, 0.55. Markets started the day bearish. We went down on the S&P 500 daily. We rallied back, closing at the day's high. Still below, though, the rising 20-day moving average and the EMAs. The noise that you hear there is I have contractors here at the office doing some work for me, and that is a compressor. We have this nice little pullback, and I do see us going higher going into the near future. The problem is we have the 20-day moving average acting as resistance, or it could do that, and we have a trend line coming down acting as that, but we have this big blue line, resistance, resistance, support, support, support. We broke that support, and that should act as resistance yet again. So that's going to be problematic here for technical analysis going for the broad markets as a whole. If you take a look here at the weekly chart, we're just getting started, but you'll notice we went down there, tagged a pretty important trend line, and we bounced higher. So there is a good chance of seeing a bounce take place off this lower weekly trend line. So it is something to be watching for. Now, if the markets start to go bearish and we start to break down, that is going to spell significant trouble, especially going into the monthly chart. And taking a quick look at gold here, this is a monthly chart, but if you look at a weekly chart, just a bare little pullback, and by no means out of the woods, but you'll see here we had a gap up and a run higher, closing just above the 20-day moving average, and we're kind of in this bear type flag, so we need to break out of this to really get bullish. Outside of that, if it breaks down, it could get nasty. So something to be watching for. So thank you for being a part. Hope that you guys are gearing up and making, at least if you're not making plans yet, to get yourself educated enough to make a wise decision if the Vegas mentorship is for you. And it'd be worth having a phone call and just going through the information to find out if it's the right fit. Take care, safe trading, and listen to what's coming next.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.